So my kitchen is growling at me this morning. As you can see, you've got a beautiful male lion looking through my kitchen window, and I just need to get to that kettle to make some coffee, that's all. But the decision is, should I go cold turkey this morning, have no coffee? What do you guys think? What a dilemma. So this is how we woke up this morning. We've got a honeymoon couple in camp, and the lioness, she's lying right here by the wall, and we can't get even to make our coffee this morning. Okay, I managed to get the kettle on, so we're going to have a good cup of coffee this morning.